Good morning, everybody. It is 9:46 and 7 seconds on Thursday, May 10th. This is the drawing for the Avengers 4. Over here on the left-hand side are the 20 filled spots. I'm going to go back up one more time. Okay, so let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 12. We're going to randomize 12 times. Name at the top of the list gets the book. It will go out in today's mail. As far as I can tell, there is only one international participant. Should you win, you will need to pay the additional shipping cost. As always, this is free priority shipping inside the United States. Good luck to everybody. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one. 12, spot 16, Jesse Sipler. Congratulations. Time is 9:47 and 17 seconds.